we have to find n plus 1 value. Why? Because if I have two persons, one handshake will come. If I have three persons, then two handshakes will come. In the same fashion, if I would like to get 55 handshakes, then I need to think about n plus 1 value rather than n value. Here, if I solve this particular equation, yeah, it will become n square plus n minus 110 is equal to 0. It's not that much tricky. Yeah, if I move this 2 towards the right hand side, it will be multiplied here. The value is 110, and if I take this value to the left hand side, then it will become n square plus n minus 110 is equal to 0. And it is a quadratic equation where it can be solved using the formula minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here b square minus 4ac is nothing but the discriminant. And yeah, you can solve that equation very comfortably if you are good at math. And just try to recap whatever you have learnt in your academics regarding this quadratic equation solution. And simply you can find what is the value of n. But here we need to take n plus 1 value rather than n. So the answer is 11. Yeah, this is one such problem. And yeah, coming to us, as I have told, ours is a startup that is oriented towards a nation and generation empowerment. And here are the details of us, where we can reach us. You can send your feedback, reviews, critics, or any suggestions, anything. You are most welcome. And we are all doing it for a great and genuine cause through raising some funds using Millap. If you are interested, please donate, share, encourage, and support us. Thank you. That's all for the day, guys. Good day.